If you are a professional or entrepreneur who wants a green card without employer sponsorship, the EB-2 National Interest Waiver may be the one of the strongest options available for you. But here's the problem. A lot of people assume they don't qualify or they apply without a strategy and then their case gets denied. Today, I'm going to try and break down what the EB-2 NIW is, who it's for, and how professionals and entrepreneurs can qualify, and why how you present your case matters. What is the EB-2 NIW? The EB-2 National Interest Waiver is a green card category that allows certain professionals and entrepreneurs to self petition for themselves, meaning you do not need a job offer or employer sponsorship to get this type of green card. Normally, EB-2 cases require a labor certification, but with the NIW, it waives the requirement if you can show your work benefits the United States as a whole. The category now is not just for scientists or researchers, it can apply to business owners, consultants, healthcare professionals, engineers, and innovators if the case is structured correctly. Basic EB-2 requirement is you really need to qualify for the EB-2. You must first of all, meet a lot of different requirements. First one of them is that you need to have an advanced degree, which is either a master's or a higher level degree, or a bachelor's degree, plus at least 5 years of progressive experience in your field. But meeting EB-2 eligibility alone is just not enough. The real challenge is qualifying for the national interest waiver portion of it. The three NIW criteria USCIS typically looks at comes up with these factors. First, your proposed work must have substantial merit and national importance. This could be economic growth, job creation, healthcare access, innovation, or just addressing certain critical issues the industry needs. Secondly, you must be well positioned to advance that work. This includes your education, experience, past successes, business plans, or professional track record. Thirdly, USCIS must decide that it benefits the US to waive the job offer and labor certification requirement. This is where many cases fail because applicants focus too much on credentials and not enough on impact. NIW for entrepreneurs and business owners, there's just a bunch of different things you have to think about. Entrepreneurs often ask, can a business qualify for NIW? The answer is yes, but not every business qualifies, right? USCI is not looking at small local businesses with limited impact. They want to see scalability, job creation, innovation, or industry wide benefits. Strong entrepreneur NIW cases may involve like technology or startup ventures, specialized consulting firms, businesses addressing labor shortages, companies expanding services in underserved markets. What matters most is how the business impacts the US beyond just the owner. Common NIW mistakes. Some of the biggest NIW mistakes I see include filing without a clear proposed endeavor, submitting generic business plans, over relying on degrees without showing how you're going to be of national benefit to the US, not addressing all the three NIW prongs clearly. A strong NIW case is not about just checking the boxes, it's about telling a persuasive, evidence based story. Why a consultation matters? The EB-2 NIW is powerful, but it's highly discretionary. Your approval depends on how your background work and future plans are positioned under current immigration policy. That's why before filing, it is critical to understand your strengths, risk, timeline, and alternatives. If you're a professional or entrepreneur considering the EB-2 NIW, we can help you evaluate whether this is the right path for you or if another strategy makes more sense. You can message us or call us at 407-802-3223 to schedule a consultation so we can review your case and help you move forward with clarity and confidence.